Hey, what's up guys? Kat right here. So I'm so excited about this video because I get to show you how we're gonna take some stones, we're gonna put them along this small little slope just to beautify it and also prevent some erosion. And stick around. We're gonna take out that grass plant, just dig it up because we got some new grass plants to be putting in there. This patio that I've just done some refinishing on, you can watch that video right here. We're just gonna beautify this a little bit. We've got to dig up some of this. So step one for us is to remove unwanted dirt in those stumps. Then step two is to just bring in the rock. So
what I want us to do, our plan, like this line right here where the cement is, that line just comes right here like this. And then instead of just getting a hill here and just putting rocks all over it, I'm gonna dig it a little bit uneven like this, like stairs. See how this top thing is? Place the rock in it, then we'll dig another stair. So it'll look just like rock, but in order for them to fall down the hill less even, I'm gonna get kind of a terraced effect.
okay, well I had to go put my hair up because man, as you're trying to work and shovel, your long hair just gets in the way. Man, I was thinking of doing this project by myself because I had the day off yesterday and I'm so thankful I didn't, because yeah, even though we're not moving those rocks all that far, man, that's a lot of rocks and it's so much better having these boys here to help me. Yeah, see, I pictured it like that, them sticking up a little bit higher and hiding that a tiny bit. But I have some extra ones, which I'm very glad about because there are some other places I was thinking I could be using these, so this is going well. So I'm going to be planting 2 grass plants in these 2 little flower beds. So it has now been 2 weeks since we put in these stones and I planted my 2 grass plants. I was just watching them to making sure that I don't kill them and the chickens don't kill them, because those chickens love their dirt baths. So remember, work hard, play hard. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.